executing a wedding is no joke. It's very hard.
The start of a new chapter in our lives, which is one of the biggest chapters and one of the most exciting ones that I've ever embarked on. To do it with a person like Sofia is an absolute dream come true. I'm so happy to be spending the rest of my life with you. Me too. I love you. Yeah. I love you too. Okay. Okay, no crying.
Are you gonna wear that under this?
No, I'm gonna wear this under that.
This homeless shirt?
Those are the most comfortable ones. That's why I keep wearing them, and now they have holes in them. This is the only white t-shirt I have, and I'm not wearing them. No. No.
Oh my god, is that Sofia's?
Yes, it's Sofia's.
Petit Canadien.
Cheers. Being surrounded by family and friends and being able to party with them, that's all going to be very exciting for us. Just being around family is going to be like the best parts of like the whole thing, really. They're putting on the medal.
With the
Okay. Where is my bride coming from?
Oh, mi amor!
Aww, I'm seeing her right now. She's so cute.
I feel like a princess. I really feel like a princess. This is like a dream come true for me. I have my best friend from middle school. I have my cousin who's been with me my entire life. And then I have my best friend from my adult life. So having the three of them united here, it's a feeling that I cannot even describe.
We've got this beautiful venue, but to be able to share it with friends and family is overall going to be one of the best experiences, I think. We are both very nature-oriented people.
I adore all the nature that we have in this space. This is exactly how I envision everything. I said I love you first.
At that point, I loved her as well.
We were on a long distance relationship at the time.
So I was like, wait, no, I've gotta say it in person.
I miss him so much that I realized that I love him.
But then I flew over to Mexico just to go say it to her, and it worked out fantastic. I want to look at her right in the eyes and be able to tell her that I love her. It's like 20 times a day, and I want to continue to be able to do that.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If you buy her flower daily, she would not mind. And if you don't trust me, check with her.
I don't mind.
Yeah. And what he is saying, if you buy, he would not mind either. And if you don't trust me, ask him. Oh, too good. Beyond husband and wife, friendship matters. Question to you. Do you accept?
I do.
Too quick. Take your time. Do you accept?
100% I do.
100%. Good. How about third opportunity? And this will be the last one.
1000% I do.
1000%, mashallah. So now we come to Sofia. Do you accept this proposal?
I do accept it.
Nothing is shaking them. So I'm going to give you the second opportunity. Do you accept?
I infinity accept.
Oh, infinity. Now I don't have anything, but I still need to do the third one.
I infinity accept +1 forever, yes.
Okay.
How do I feel about her changing from fiance, girlfriend to wife? Nothing. I feel like as soon as I met her, we were meant to be. Yeah, so it feels very, very natural.
Monirul Islam Pathan and Sofia, a newlywed couple.
Oh my darling, run with me to that old familiar willow tree. Find our rest beneath the leaves. But like the roots, our love runs deep. Before you let it go, there's something you should know. Let it go, stop letting it take control. Before you let it go, you should really know that I'm all about you, all about you, all about you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your bride and groom, Sofia and Monirul.
I am really looking forward to us just dancing on the dance floor. I really enjoy how when you're dancing, the rest of the world doesn't exist.
It's an honor to be here today. I'm so happy for Munir and Sofia today. So every family has a troublemaker, and if you guess that it's him, you're absolutely right. All of his fearless attitude and breaking the norms is his trademark and makes him sit where he is today. So I'm so happy that he found someone like Sofia as his life partner, and I'm even happier to have her as my sister. I love you so much.
Little man with big heart seeks lifelong partner.
6'1" in his Jeep. Get up on time for you. Looking for someone to travel with.
Now, when I heard Sofia met a man on her trip to Colombia, you would think I was skeptical. Yes, I was. I was very, very skeptical. I mean, who finds the love of their life in a trip to Colombia? But anyway, I meet Munir, and he is honestly one of the sweetest men, and he really loves Sofia dearly, right? And that I have no doubt that you will care and love for Sofia and Sol. You already do. Sofia, my dear friend, I am overjoyed that you have found your other half. May your marriage be filled with laughter, adventure, and a love that only grows stronger each and every single day. Congratulations!
Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para darle alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, hey Macarena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para darle alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, hey Macarena.
Let's go dancing in the city lights, city lights. Painted red, gonna be no better time. We're feeling high and you know we got a good flow. No, let's go. No hesitating. We gotta move, we gotta shake, we gotta get up on our feet and liberate it. Feel like something's out of control. Your mind says yes and your body says oh, let's
What I'm most excited about the wedding day is just having fun with all of our friends, our family. Seeing all the people we know united and connecting with each other is something that gets me really excited.
Small everyday things. I think we do this really silly thing every time it hits 11:11. We'll make a little wish, give each other a little peck. But at 11:11 on one of those things, she asked me to make a wish.
Honey,
and I think I wished that I wanted to be with her. And that was a wish that came true.
you shut off the lights or close the door. Rest your sweet hand. Lay your body down upon the bed.
Congratulations, Mono. It's been a really great wedding. Really pulled it together. It was so well organized.
To be honest, very surprised that you're still alive after all of the encounters and traveling, but very happy you are and you met Sofia. Wishing you the best of happy married life.
There's no good advice that I have. I have only bad ideas and bad suggestions.
Happy wife, happy life.
The best part is yet to come.